Hello again. I'm going to show you today how to edit your curves using the pattern editing tool. Let's go to this back neck here. Let me hide my 3D just so we have a little more room to work. This back neck is kind of an ugly curve right now. So, I don't want this to curve in such an S way at this intersection. And here, I need this to be a right angle. So what I can do is come over here, select this, and you'll see I've got a little vector handle here. I can select the end of that handle and move it with my mouse to get the best shape for me. Now, alternatively, maybe I don't want that vector handle, so I could just take it and drag it on top of the point and the handle goes away. And I have lots of options for how to change this point. So if I right click, I could add handles back, which then will add handles to both sides. I could convert to curve, which will convert it into a perfect curve, or I could remove the handles again. You can also do these actions by double clicking on the point to cycle through each of them. So that's that part done. And then I can come over here, select my line, and this vector point will snap to your 90-degree from its point. It's still not quite right. I can maybe move this over here. I can use those arrow keys to get it up and looking correct.